In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Thunder by Boys Like Girls off of their self-titled album, Boys Like Girls. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Boys Like Girls was your favorite emo band, and let's dive in. Before we start, this song is going to have an unusual tuning. So let's go string by string here. The high E string is going to be tuned down to D. Then the B string is down to A. G string goes down to F sharp. Then the D string stays at D. The A string stays at A. And then the low E string goes down a full step to D. So when we strum that out, that's what the open string should sound like. The song kicks right into verse 1, and there's going to be several layered guitars here, but we're going to focus on the two main guitars. So the first rhythm guitar is an acoustic guitar, and it's going to sound like this. So if we break that down, what we're doing is we're starting with all open strings, and then the third fret of the third string is pressed down. So it sounds like this. So open, 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 third fret, open, open. Okay, so that's the first chord. Second chord, what we're going to do is mute the sixth string, and I do that by wrapping my thumb over a bit. And then middle finger goes on fourth fret of the fifth string. So now we have strings 1 through 5. Okay, next chord. We're leaving the index finger there. We're going to put ring finger, 5th fret, 6th string, and pinky, 5th fret, 5th string. Okay, so those two are down. 4th string open, 3rd fret, open, open. Okay, that's the third chord. And then the fourth chord in the sequence is this. Okay, so that's open, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 3rd fret, 3rd string. You'll notice the 3rd fret of the 3rd string is down for most of the song here. And then open, open. Okay, and then it repeats. Right hand rhythm is just eighth notes. Let's bring the lead part in. So the lead here is a clean electric, and it's going to be playing this. So we'll be up here on the fretboard. Okay, so what we're doing here is just arpeggiating, so picking individual strings, individual notes. So we're starting here on the 8th fret, 3rd string, 9th fret, 2nd string, 7th fret, 1st string, up and down. Okay, next chord here is just barring 7th fret on the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st strings. Okay, next chord. We go down to 5th fret, 3rd and 2nd, and then we're still on the 7th fret of the 1st string. And then back up to that 2nd chord. So at this point, we'll enter the pre-chorus section. So that rhythm guitar is just finish that verse on this chord. And then from here, what we're going to do is go to this chord. Here, I'll play it once through. So let's break those chords down. So we finished the verse here. We're just going to reach the index finger over to the 5th string. So we have 2nd fret, 5th string, open 4th, 3rd fret, 3rd, open 2nd and 1st. Okay, next chord, just release the index finger. Open, open, 3rd, open, open. Next chord, 4th fret, 5th string, open 4th, 3rd, open, open. And then 5th fret, 5th string. So in sequence. Okay, again, we're just 8th notes or 16th notes here with the right hand. Okay, and then we go back to this chord that we were playing in the verse. Okay, 5th fret, open, 3rd, open, open. And then the same chord we ended the verse on, we end the pre-chorus on. That's open, 2nd, 3rd, open, open. And the lead guitar is still arpeggiating these chords up here. So we have the same first chord as we did in the verse. Now we're going to bar 4th through 1st strings on the 7th fret, and we're going to play 4th string, 2nd, 1st, 2nd. So that's the 2nd arpeggiation. The 3rd arpeggiation, we're going to still bar on the 7th fret. Now we play 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string. So far we have then we go back to that first chord again. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the 5th fret and we'll play this arpeggiation. So that's 5th fret, 4th string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 4th fret, 1st string. Play that one twice. And then we come up here, bar 7th fret, 4th, 3rd, 2nd string. We'll just strum that one. So altogether, the arpeggiated part, slow, is going to sound like this. And at this point, we kick into the chorus. So here's where the distorted guitars are going to come in. That acoustic guitar is going to carry over, and it's going to play in the chorus as well, but let's start with the distorted guitar part. It's just going to be playing these power chord shapes. Okay, I know this is a different tuning, but it's going to be playing those drop D power chord shapes where we bar 6th, 5th, and 4th strings. So it's going to start open, then it goes to 7th fret, 5th fret, then 9, 7, and repeat. So it'll sound like this. Okay, so that's how that chorus will end. 5th fret, up to 7th fret, and then we're into the next verse. So again, that's just all drop D power chord shapes, and the right hand rhythm. Okay, so down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. You hear how that transition's different from 9 to 7. Transitions on an upbeat. The acoustic guitar will carry into the chorus, and it's going to be playing the same chords, but what it's going to be doing is also allowing 1st and 2nd string to ring open. Okay, so the first chord of the acoustic is just going to be open everything. All the strings open. Then it comes up to 7, and here's where we play that drop D power chord shape. Okay, but we're going to let 1st and 2nd strings ring open, and we're going to mute the 3rd string here. And the way that you mute that is you just kind of rest your finger in a way that mutes the 3rd string, but lets the 2nd and 1st string ring out. And down to 5, to 9, 7. So same rhythm as the distorted guitars. At this point, we enter the second verse, and the second verse is going to be exactly the same as the first. There's going to be different layered guitars that's going to make it sound a little different, but those two main guitar parts are exactly the same. And that arpeggiated clean guitar is still playing the same part. So everything's exactly the same until the very end of the pre-chorus. So in the pre-chorus, we have these chords that we talked about. Now at the end of the first pre-chorus, we just let this chord ring out. Okay, this chord right before the chorus, we just let that ring out, and then we kicked into the chorus. What we're going to do now is instead of letting that chord ring out, we're just going to keep playing 16th notes. And then into the chorus. Okay, so that's the only difference, is the rhythm of the right hand going into the chorus. And the arpeggiated guitar there, okay, so it would just strum that chord, right? So that's 7th fret, 4th, 3rd, 2nd string. Okay, so at the end of the first pre-chorus, we just strum that and let it ring out. Now we'll arpeggiate it now. And then into the chorus. So the second chorus now will be exactly the same as the first. So at this point, let's kick into the bridge. So the bridge section is going to sound like this. It has distorted guitars. Okay, so again, just drop D power chord shapes, starting on the 2nd fret, up to 9, down to 7, down to 5, then open, up to 9, down to 7, ends on 5. And again, that acoustic guitar will carry into the bridge. So it plays that drop D power chord shape, then it comes up. This is the exact same chord structure. It's just going to let, again, 1st and 2nd string ring out. Coming out of the bridge, there's the acoustic only section. It's the exact same as the intro verse, exact same part we've been playing. It's just playing by itself now. And it'll just let this chord ring out again. And then we kick into the last chorus. The last chorus is just an extended version of what we've been playing in the other choruses. So we just have those drop D power chord shapes, exact same chord structure. So there's the only real difference is after you play through that sequence one time, we just do those 2 individual hits, just those accent notes in that chorus. Listen to the record if you're unsure what I'm talking about, but there's those accent notes in the last chorus, and then it just resumes. Okay, acoustic guitar is still doing the exact same thing here, letting those 1st and 2nd strings ring open. This course is extended, so they'll play it a 2nd time through, like I'm doing right now. At the very end here, we alternate between 5 and 7. And we let 7 ring out, and then the song ends with all open strings. Was Thunder the best Boys Like Girls song? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.